Hi, I'm Susan Papanicholas from How Does Your Garden Grow in Seattle, Washington. It's the end of April and I am plunked down here on the ground in my own garden to show you this really beautiful fawn lily, also known as dogtooth violet or erythronium. This particular erythronium is a hybrid and the cultivar is called Pagoda. It has these gorgeous big leaves that sort of look like tulip leaves when they're coming out of the ground. And then it puts up stems of tight little green buds that open up into these really beautiful yellow lily flowers that nod down. This plant is native to the West Coast. This is actually a hybrid of a few plants that are native to the West Coast. It's very vigorous and easy to grow. It's also a plant called a spring ephemeral. I really like this category of plants because they come up in the spring, do their thing, and then they go dormant before we get into the summer drought period. I know Seattle has a reputation of being really rainy, but it's actually very dry here in the summers, and plants that have adaptations to get through that drought period make them a lot easier to take care of. So I love getting this really beautiful display here in April, and then it'll go dormant. And then you won't even know it was here until next spring when it emerges again. These plants are super easy to take care of. They like dappled shade, spring moisture, and then they'll go dormant and you don't even have to think about them. Pagoda is a hybrid and I have read that it does not spread by seed, but this one has spread in my garden in a few different patches, and also the original patch has grown. So this one, I actually planted this across the garden in another place and it's not there anymore, but this came up, I think from seed, or maybe a squirrel dug up the bulb. And then there have been a few other patches that have volunteered in my garden and they're just so pretty and carefree and I really love them.